9 Chinese workers have been killed and 28 others injured in Pakistan after a blast ripped through a bus carrying the Chinese workers, plunging the vehicle down a ravine in northwestern Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa region. The bus was carrying Chinese engineers, surveyors and mechanical staff to the Dasu Dam construction site when the blast occurred. The injured have been moved to nearby hospitals. 4 Pakistani nationals also lost their lives. Local officials described it as a heavy blast on the bus and an investigation is underway. Meanwhile, China has described the incident as a bombing and an attack, quote-unquote. The Chinese Foreign Ministry expressed shock and condemnation over the bombing, quote-unquote. It urged Islamabad to severely punish the perpetrators and protect Chinese nationals and interests in Pakistan.
China expresses shock and condemnation over the bombing attack in Pakistan's Khyber province that has caused deaths and injuries of Chinese nationals. We express our condolences towards the Chinese and Pakistan nationals killed in the attack and express our sympathy for the families and the people injured. China has already requested Pakistan to look into the truth, arrest the perpetrators and punish them severely, and earnestly protect the safety of Chinese nationals, organizations and projects in Pakistan.
However, in a move that is puzzling, the Chinese Foreign Ministry released another statement saying that the blast on the bus was a result of mechanical failure. It remains to be seen what the reason is behind this double speak by the Chinese Foreign Ministry. Is it due to the limited information available, or is either side deliberately playing down the attack on Chinese nationals in Pakistan? Pakistani authorities, meanwhile, continue their investigation.
The investigation is underway to find out what was the actual cause of the incident. Police and the bomb disposal squad are on site. As soon as the report from investigation comes, we will be able to tell you the factual position.
The security of Chinese workers has long been an issue of concern in Pakistan. A large number of Chinese workers are based in Pakistan to supervise and build infrastructure projects. Often they have been targeted by separatists and extremists who say locals see little benefit with most jobs going to outsiders. In April, the Pakistani Taliban claimed responsibility for a deadly suicide blast at a luxury hotel hosting the Chinese ambassador in southwest Balochistan. While the Chinese ambassador escaped unhurt, 4 people were killed and 11 injured. In 2019, gunmen stormed a luxury hotel in Balochistan overlooking a Chinese-backed project, the deep-water seaport in Gwadar, killing at least 8 people. Last June, Baloch insurgents targeted the Pakistan Stock Exchange in Karachi, which is partly owned by Chinese companies. 7 people were killed in that attack. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.